Gold digger ka agad? Baka namamahalan ka lang. Pag-usapan natin yan. Ano, game? Tara, let's start! Bro, let me break this down to you gently. Walang gold digger. All women are expensive. You just pick the one na hindi swak sa budget mo. She's not high maintenance, bro. Ikaw lang talaga yung naka-prepaid plan. I mean, come on! You're out here dating a girl that drinks matcha, drives a Fortuner, and has lashes longer than your career plans. Tapos magrereklamo ka pag humihingi ng milk tea? Wow! Bro, gusto mo ng queen pero ang wallet mo pang trainee. Not manager, not even part-time. Explain ko to sa'yo. Dating is like shopping. Gusto mo ng leather shoes, pero ang budget mo pang tsinelas. Sa tingin mo, anong maririnig mo sa sales lady? Sir, may budget-friendly po kami. Dun sa clearance sale. Ayan, dun ka muna. Pag mong tawaging gold digger, if you can't keep up, kasalanan niya bang dinala mo tricycle sa karera ng Ferrari? Girls aren't looking for money. They're looking for stability. Kung ang bills mo naka-screenshot pa sa phone mo, pero naka-iPhone 15 ka, priorities mo ang scammer. Kung humingi siya ng flowers tapos nagalit ka sa halagang 250, sa tingin mo, siya ba may problema? She's not using you. You volunteered. You saw all the red flags and said, cute naman siya. Worth it. Maubos ang sweldo. Ang dating, parang bumibili ka lang na ng kotse. Kung ang budget mo, kaya lang second hand, huwag kang pumasok sa showroom ng Mercedes-Benz expecting a full tank, insurance, tapos may air freshener pa. Tol, if she likes spa days, fine dining, and spontaneous getaways, she's not high maintenance. That's her lifestyle. Tapos ikaw, you're still splitting your bill with your roommate named Mama. So wag mo siyang tawaging gold digger. Hindi lang siya nakasale sa Shopee. Naiintindihan mo na. Stop complaining about the price of women. If you can't afford steak, don't insult the cow. Doon ka muna sa turo-turo. May forever din doon. Peace out!